So guys, we're here on Nanjing East Road. This is Nanjing Donglu. This is a famous walking street here in Shanghai. I'm really excited to show you this because right behind me, we've got some amazing women. This is called the Dama, and that means the big mama. And basically these women right here, this is how they get their exercise in Shanghai. They come down here, you can see they coordinate their outfits, they have the silk fans that they do, and they have an elaborate dance move. And this is a trend that has been around in China for many years, but it's now a huge social trend. You know, they actually have their own social network now dedicated just to these older ladies that love to go dancing. It's pretty incredible. You can find them in all of the cities across China, certainly in the big cities, the small cities. Again, this is how the Chinese women love to get their exercise. It's also very social for them. They get to hang out with other women of their age, so it's a good community here. And this is just when you're in Shanghai, this is one of the most amazing cultural experiences. Make sure you come down to Nanjing Road. You want to walk this pedestrian street, take your camera and just soak it all in. 早上好，你好，你好 ，Hello， 你好。我看你们的衣服很漂亮的，然后你们的动作都协调了，都很标准的，很好的。还行呗，还行，没有你的跳舞的能力好。哇，太好了，太好了，谢谢谢谢，哇，很棒的。不客气。Well, we just had a nice little conversation there with the ladies. You can see they've got different matching. Oh, this must be the. Now the local rule is whoever controls the music is the boss. So this would definitely be the leader here. This is so cool. All right, so here we are. We're gonna get going here. These ladies. Look at the focus. No messing around here. Guys, this is so exciting. In all my years of living in China, I've seen a lot of the Dama coming out here to practice, but I've never seen this many. This is so exciting. Little thumbs up from the fellow videographer here. We're all enjoying this. This is incredible. You can see this is their passion. When you get to this age, this is how you stay fit. This is your community. You spend a lot of money on these silk fans. These silk fans is, you know, probably about 20-30 US. So it's a good little investment for these ladies. And they're passionate about it. They have to have the matching clothes, the right shoes. So guys, that's really one of the coolest things about China is that you never know what you're going to expect. You know, it's so exciting. You come down here, you never know. You could have 100 senior women dancing a beautiful routine and just get you off to a great day. So when you're in China, prepare for the unexpected. So everybody, I hope you enjoyed that great little cultural insight into the Dama here in Shanghai, China. Now, I actually filmed this in September 2019. So that was my last business trip back to Shanghai. And one of the things that I do when I go travel is I like to get out early in the mornings and I like to go explore and go walk around the city. That's typically when you'll find these women congregating in the streets and practicing their elaborate dance routines. Now, again, this was the first time that I've seen this many women. Looking back on that footage, it was probably over 100, maybe even a couple hundred women that were, coordinating their outfits, that were working on their dance routines. And it really is one of the most popular ways in China for these older generation to go out and get some exercise. They can socialize with their friends, get a bit of fresh air, get some exercise. And this is one of the great things that I don't think a lot of Westerners know about China. That is dancing remains one of the most popular forms of entertainment in China. And again, you can really see that on all different levels, of the cities in China, from first tier cities all the way down to the lower tier cities. These dancing in the streets is very popular and it remains just a great cultural pastime, for the Chinese. So I hope you enjoyed this video today. If you'd like to see more videos like this, drop me a comment down below. Let me know what you think. Every week on this channel, we're providing new content and new videos and insights into China and its role into society today. If you're new to this channel, I'd love for you to consider hitting that subscribe button as we continue to explore all things related to China. Again, my name is Cyrus. Thank you for spending time here, and we'll see you guys in the next video.